orange.
It's so crazy. So this is our second video with slimes. So we're gonna mix our slime. I have 3 slime and Erich got 3 slime too. I got a color yellow, all yellow. But in the cup, I have green, yellow, and blue.
I have red and blue.
It's 2 red and 1 blue.
Yes.
Okay, let's mix all the slime, but I'm gonna catch some bowl. Wait for me. Here. Hi.
So nice. 6.
So Eric's gonna find her bowl now. This is my bowl. This is her part. I have a red bowl. I have a You know guys, we're in second floor and we're in the first couple. I gotta tell. So guys, we're just testing. You find some?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start to make it. So this is the blue one. Sorry, it's not a slime. It's a blue. It's a blue first. It's not a slime. It's a blue. Okay, next is shaving cream.
Shaving cream. This one.
I'm just joking that is blue the shaving cream, but totally it's a slime. So next, the activator! Why you open it faster? Ah! I'm gonna close up. Activator is okay.
Oh my god, I have big slime.
I have a big slime too, you don't know that? Woohoo!
Oh, it's turning to slime.
But you know guys, we're just mixing it all slime and just
Wow.
we're just saying this is a glue, this is a shaving cream, and this is a
Activator.
activator like that. But I don't know if it's gonna work because last week we're gonna have slime, but we do it because my parents are now. And my parents is not in So we made a jiggle style. We made some jiggle style.
I feel junk.
Okay guys, so bye. I wish you subscribe, like, and share. Please comment down below who wants you want to be.